The understanding of what my body and spirit need in sport and in life is a guiding principle for me in my work as a chef for athletes and everyday superheroes too. Food and the knowledge of what fuels us has the power to unlock our wildest dreams, greatest potential, and ultimate joy. My best and favorite days in the kitchen are usually ones that begin outside of it. And being able to carry that energy back to when I'm tangibly touching ingredients really helps me to find the best expression of whatever I'm working with. The things that I cook really fuel the adventures that I'm on and the life that I want to live. So this weekend I'm taking the RV out. Gonna do a little bit of riding, a little bit of running, some swimming, eliminating the fog that inevitably comes from living my routine and find some inspiration out there. From a pretty young age, I learned that I was better at the long, hard things than I was the short, fast ones. The longer and harder the effort, the better off I was gonna be able to perform at it. I was originally inspired to get into food through sport. I was training and racing on a little Japanese island. Typical sport foods that were associated with American sport weren't really available. So I started having to kind of branch out and find new products that would keep me going out there. That experience unlocked something for me in the sense that real food was the key to real experience. I've trained and raced enough now to know sort of exactly the moment that my body wants salt or sugar or a squeeze of lemon. I'm in tune with nature, I'm in tune with the ingredients that are available to me. I'm more in tune with how my body wants and will use those as fuel and as a deeper experience.
That'll do for a couple tacos.
The food that I cook is literally inspired by adventure. I've learned that there's no formula for a best life. We only know we've achieved it when we arrive. Inspiration is boundless, except for the boundaries that we place ourselves. The RV's helped me practice all of these lessons, and it's reminded me that I don't always have to go do. Sometimes the adventure is go be. I work for myself and I'm a one-woman show, so being able to step away from my regular obligations and dive back into that creative piece is really what I use it for. It allows me to literally move myself and my work to the source of my inspiration. Figuring out what my body needed meant that I had to be down to fail at it. Pushing yourself really, really hard, being unafraid of digging that deep and recognizing that someplace I had the tools to dig myself back out again. In my ultimate world, I'm out there running, riding, kind of sweating until I feel the sense of quiet. The more busy my schedule gets, the longer it takes for me to just kind of arrive at that place where I don't have a running list in my head. And I am really like feeling the wind, smelling the smells, hearing the birds. It's almost impossible for me to unlink my process in the kitchen from whatever I'm experiencing when I'm outside. The power that I feel in that relationship between having a goal or wanting to achieve something in life or in sport and knowing that food is a key to get there is a tool and a connection that I feel everyone deserves. And so I'm driven to cook now to help other people and inspire other people to kind of like dig a little deeper and find more purpose with food as a guide. I hope that when I'm cooking for others that they walk away feeling a little bit unlocked. I want the ingredients I'm working with and the way that I'm imparting flavor and technique to feel really, really, really close to home for them. When we arrive to our destination in the RV, it's not yet clear to me whether we've just left or just arrived. Is home the place that we're returning to, or is it the spirit of flexibility and openness resident in this little rolling apartment? We're doing our best to find our little routines, tools, rituals to make it both, to feel at home in the world wherever we are. Having the exact same pillows on the bed, in the RV and the apartment. A duplicate toiletry kit so you never forget your favorite lotion. And for me, opening up the teeny tiny pantry and finding ingredients that are exciting, simple, easy to combine to make something that warms our bellies and grounds us down. To feel that we're always returning to ourselves no matter where we go, that's the goal.